Hello everyone, welcome to Car Salvage 101 and welcome to a 2013 Fiat 500 Lounge with a Bluetooth module in it. Now in today's video I'm going to try and keep this as quick and simple as I can do, but I've done a number of videos before of removing the Bluetooth module. And if you don't already know, the Bluetooth module is held in the passenger side quarter at the rear, certainly on the UK 500s anyway, on a 1.2. Not 100% sure if it's slightly different on the Twin Air. Can't remember. But anyway, what the plan is really is in today's video is where I've taken the seats out, removed the seat belt, because you've got to take all this quarter out. There's a bolt down there as well. My plan today is to try and take this out without doing any of that. I'm going to see if it works and how simple / difficult it is. I either give up or this really works. So the tools I'm going to be using today are 8mm socket, obviously, and going to need a torch, and we're going to need one of those as well. So the plan is you've got to, if you haven't already seen a video before, you've got to take the screws off this. This is held in like that. You've got a couple of screws, Phillips screws, to take out. That then drops down because it's clipped in. Then this can literally pull away. So as you can see, I've pulled that away, and then we can get to there. So we'll use the torch to get in, but you generally should be able to feel yourself around in there without really needing a torch. So I've already disconnected it. So the plan is to get these little bolts out, little nuts that hold the module into the cage down in there. So without further ado, I'm going to go and sit in this because I figure it's going to be easier sitting in the car on the back seats here, pulling that back, and we're going to just try it. This is either going to work or it's not. So a bit closer look into there. So the top ones are going to be the easiest to get to. One is one is there. The other one is going to be just in there, but it's covered by the sound deadening. And then we're going to have to feel around for the other ones, which are just sort of behind it. Bluetooth modules are technically square, so it's not difficult to find them. So the first two I think are going to be easy. The last two could be difficult, but we'll give it a shot. Right, so the first two are out. So as I say, 8mm. They're very easy. I mean, with this, you could almost do it by hand. Just put that in and do it by hand, because there's no resistance there, pretty much nothing. They're not tightly wound in. So I'm going to actually try it by hand now. That's what I'm going to do. So as I say, the top ones, they're easy. So that literally took 30 seconds. Now we need to basically feel around down the bottom for the next ones, and I'm going to just try it with the hand first, and if not, resort to this. I think we're going to need the extension on it as well, but we'll have a play around. There's your 4 bolts. I was able to do that by hand with a little extension. So in there now, if I just hold this, should be a loose Bluetooth module. Result. Out it comes. Bear with. There we go. All done. So I'm going to get that sent off to Paul at Love 500. for him to fix, which you can too. He does a great service and a lifetime warranty as well. So yeah, there you have it. Now obviously you can, well, it's going to be exactly the same to put back, but there you go. You don't necessarily need to remove half the car to get that out. Just 4 8mm bolts, and you're away. So I hope you found that useful. Wasn't too bad in the end. It's certainly a lot better than taking out the interior of the car. Obviously, if you need the cage, you are going to have to remove everything that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, so seat belts and everything like that. But if you just want to take the module out, then you can be done with the right tools. So there you have it. Anyway, hopefully that's been helpful for you. If it has, give me the thumbs up. Any comments, leave them in the usual place. And until next time, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.